Ever wondered how to set up your own GTA V server? Well, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Our first mission, installing FiveM. Now, if you're new to the scene, FiveM is a modification framework for GTA V. It's the secret sauce that enables you to create and manage your own multiplayer servers. So, where do we find this magic potion? Just navigate your way to the FiveM website. Once you're there, look for the client download. It's completely free and takes just a jiffy to install. So go ahead and hit that download button. Let the digital gears turn and do their thing. And just like that, you've completed the first step on your journey to creating a personalized GTA V server. Alright, now that we've got FiveM installed, let's move on to the next step. With FiveM installed, it's time to set up your server. Launch FiveM and look for the server option. You will see two choices here: to host your own server or join an existing one. Since we're focusing on creating our own virtual playground, let's select Host Server. This will open up a new window where you'll be asked to name your server. Choose a name that resonates with you and the gaming community you're planning to build. After naming your server, you'll need to decide on the region. This is important as it affects the server's performance and latency. Once you've chosen a name and region, you'll be asked to agree to the terms of service. Make sure to read them carefully. After agreeing to the terms, click on Create Server, and voila, your server is now set up. Next, we'll customize our server to our liking. Now, it's time to configure your server settings to your liking. Once you're in the server settings menu, you'll see a plethora of options that can truly make your server one of a kind. For instance, you can set the maximum number of player slots. This allows you to control how many players can join your server at any given time. Next, you'll see an option to manage permissions. This is where you decide who can do what on your server. You can assign roles, set privileges, and more. Lastly, you can choose which mods to enable on your server. Mods can add a whole new level of fun to GTA V, so don't be shy to try out a few. Remember, the goal here is to create a gaming experience that suits you and your community. With our settings all dialed in, let's start up our server. We are ready to start up our server. You've installed FiveM, set it up, and configured your settings just the way you like. Now, it's time to hit that Start Server button. This is the moment where your server springs to life. It's like flipping a switch and lighting up a whole city. It's your city, your world. Once you've hit the button, FiveM does all the heavy lifting. It takes care of the back end, the technical stuff that you don't need to worry about. It's like a backstage crew in a theater silently getting everything ready for the performance. The process is quick, just a few seconds, and then voila! Your server is up and running. It's your own personal slice of the GTA universe, ready for you and your friends to explore, create, and conquer. Finally, let's invite some friends to join us on our new server. The last step is to invite your friends to join you on your new server. Now that you've got your server up and running, it's time to share the fun. You're going to need your server's IP address, and it's right there in FiveM for you to grab. This unique number is your server's location on the web, and it's the key to your friends joining your GTA V world. Just copy this IP address and send it off to your friends. They can use it to connect directly to your server and jump into the action. Remember, the more the merrier, so don't be shy about sending those invites out. Whether they're seasoned gamers or newbies, they'll be able to join in on your custom GTA V experience. And that's all there is to it. You've set up your very own GTA V server in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching!